guys, welcome back to Reading Time with B. Alrighty, our new book is I'm Going to the Sea Park by Mercer. The sharks, the turtles, the little fishies. Alrighty. Look at that fish right there. That is crazy. Alrighty, page 1. Today my class goes to the sea park. It has so many fish. Look at that sea park. Look at that. There are little fish. There are big fish. Some fish are pretty. Some fish are really ugly. We all go to the petting tank, pet a horseshoe crab. That is weird. Timothy falls into the tank. He meets an octopus. He is not happy. I wish I could meet an octopus. Our teacher takes us to the lunchroom. They'll sell a swordfish burger on the menu. I want that. We go on a pretend pirate ship. I steer the ship. Bun Bun is scared. After lunch, we see the shark tank. Ooh, I would not like to have lunch with a shark. We see baby whales eating a fish. We see manatees eating plants. Next, we go to the seal show. I feed a fish to a seal. No one else wants to. We see Bozo the orca. We sit in the front row. We get splashed with water. I'm all wet. Everyone brings money from home to buy gifts. Gator buys a seal, Tiger gets a shark, I buy a fuzzy orca. What a great day we had at the sea park. Do you know what the best part was? Getting all wet. Alrighty, that's the end of the book. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye!